Your new CCS Retrofit is failing on both AC and DC. Is this a 5-minute fix with sandpaper, or do you need to book a service center visit? It's almost certainly the sandpaper. The Charge Port's computer, the Gen 4 ECU, needs a clean electrical ground to talk to the charger. Think of it like a phone call on a bad line. The car and the charger are trying to have a very specific, high-speed conversation over a system called GreenPHY. A bad ground is like static on that line. If the ECU can't get a clear signal, its first safety rule is to just hang up. It aborts the charge instantly. The most common cause for this static is the ground wire for the retrofit harness. It's often bolted right on top of the factory paint on the mounting stud, and that paint acts as a perfect insulator, blocking the connection. Here's the fix. First, you need to power the car down completely. Go into the service menu and use the power off function. Then wait a few minutes until you hear the main contactors click off. This is a key safety step. Now, locate the Charge Port ECU, which is tucked behind the rear driver's side wheel well liner. You'll need to remove a few clips to pull the liner back. You will see a small black ground wire with a metal eyelet on the end, held down by a 10mm nut on a metal stud. Remove that nut. Take a small piece of sandpaper and scrub the paint off the flat chassis surface directly under that eyelet, as well as the stud itself. You're looking for clean, shiny, bare metal. The goal is a rock-solid electrical connection with less than 0.1 ohms of resistance. Once it's clean, put the eyelet back on and tighten the 10mm nut until it's snug. While you're in there, find the large gray connector plugged into the ECU. Put your thumb on it and give it a firm, steady push. You might feel a soft click as it fully seats. The main vehicle harness can sometimes put tension on this plug over time, slightly pulling it out. Even a millimeter of movement can unseat the tiny communication pins inside and cause the exact same charging failure. If you've cleaned that ground to bare metal and you're sure the plug is seated, but it still fails, the last thing to check is software. After changing the hardware connection, the car can sometimes get confused. You may need to access the vehicle's diagnostic menu and rerun the CCS Retrofit routine in service mode. This forces the car to rescan its hardware and properly recognize the adapter you just fixed. Ignoring this simple ground issue means no reliable DC fast charging. You'll be stuck with slower AC charging until it's fixed.